Hey everybody, welcome back to another unboxing. Today we're checking out some golden paper party crowns here. And there's a pack of like 30 in here. You can pick these up from Amazon. They run about $12 for a 30 pack. So just gonna show you guys one of these. If I can open it here. So if you have like a little occasion or something like a birthday party or whatever, or you just like wearing crowns around, you know, nothing wrong with that. If I can open it, my goodness. So there's that, and then it has some pretty shiny rubber band on here as well. I haven't made one of these in a long time. It's been a long time. So, okay, my goodness, they're all wrapped up here. Just once, twice. All right, let's get one of these crowns out, shall we? So, and these actually have like a little adjustable parts in the back here. So. If you have a bigger head than somebody else, then you can adjust it to a different size here. So that's kind of cool. And basically just insert the little tab in there. Just like that. And you're good to go. So there is that. Kind of cool. And kids always have fun with these. I wonder if I could wear this or not. I don't know. Well, my helmet's kind of giant, but yeah, there you go. Anyways, I'll leave a link in the description below if you guys want to check this out. Kind of a cool little thing for parties or whatever. And thanks for watching this unboxing. I appreciate it. Everybody have a great day out there, and we'll see you next time.